Of the UKZN, Howard College campus, Sinaye, Usnaye, Namshandi, Sasobuya, Watu, what did you? If you not send some more of Manjela, Nabo, you need to beg you try to know my looking back. I want to say I'm the Central SRC president. Lana Mongameli, the OneDay leader and SPC1 and KuhleKonke Watu Ntuli. Students, we know Irulia Watu I with student activism and in student leadership. Watu committed Kulu made a lot of sacrifice. And as SRC we are proud to produce as leader. Esicela UKZN yonkana sonke nje sithi kumsupport sonke comrades siyanicela nabangekho la I'm including Jude Medical School iPeter Maritzburg and our colleagues baningi comrades ngeke sihlule nje abantu nje sibaningi kakhulu comrades as SRC Watu we appreciate irole yakho edlalile lo idlalayo manje sibona ikusasa kuwe nomphakathi sifuna ukwakha cabanga ukuthi uyafitha kona cela usiqhubele cela uqhubeke uyenze the management I've heard from the management that are proud of you and rest assured isupport yabo ikhona and so itshengisa njalo isupport ukusupporta kuze komfana egcineni siyabonga very much.
Thank you so much. I was not ready for this, but I am Sanet Siwe Mweniso. I'm the former deputy president at Howard College, year 2016-2017. Watu was my president then. I think if Umtu could drop a few words just to say congratulations Ntuli, and we wish you a very successful journey moving forward with OneDay leader. And then I want to rehash what President Uzondi had said, to say you are an epitome of the current leadership in South Africa and in the society at large. And for that we pride ourselves as UKZN to have a product to go and represent us to nations. And for that, siyathanda ukukhuthaza and sithi khuthazeka. We know you're a woman of faith, you're a woman of strength, and you represent every black woman out there and their struggles. You are our voice. Ngalokho sithi phambili mbokodo. Yeah, and one last thing, guys, as we cannot say.
Somebody said BC1 Mzansi. Yeah. German is somewhere.
Ntuli mhlawumbe khona abalaziyo bangalazi bazojoyina ngaphakathi nendawo sithi imbokodo wena unamandla sithi imbokodo sithi wena unamandla sithi the president of the SRC at Howard College. What an honor it is to speak on KuhleKonke Watu Ntuli. Well, I had the privilege to serve with her in the past year ku-SRC Mongameli nakhona. They've said it all, comrades. She's a selfless leader, she's a hard worker, she's very humble and she's dedicated. And I cannot be proud enough ukuthi umuntu engimlandelile ngemumva has reached such high strides. We are very proud of you. You've done us well and you've set the bar very high for abantu abakulandelayo ngemuva. You may not know this, but bakhona abantu besifazane abayingane who come after us ababukela nje the things that we do and bathole inspiration and motivation from what we do. You've been great in the years that I've known you, and you've done us proud. I know you'll continue to do us proud. Sithi nje sikufisela konke okuhle. Siyazi ukuthi nje UKZN, you will fly our flag very high. Uzowina Watu, uzowina.
Abazange bambona, abazange bambona, abazange bambona. Funa ubona imbodo ezongenisa ezongena nayo lana is. Watu nalona. Watu nalona. Abazange bambona, abazange bambona, abazange bambona, abazange bambona, abazange bambona, abazange bambona. UKZN, make some noise for Watu!
Sanibona. Ninjani? Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngifike namhlanje. I'm humbled by the outcome efike namhlanje and the people abafikile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngifuna kanje ngokubonga to the students of UKZN because njoba ngiku-TV is because of you guys. From the experience that I got ngu-president, ama students ethi asiyindawo singanayo res. That's what determines if I'm going to stay. It's the journey worth traveling, and la UKZN ngikhombisile ukuthi kuyabekezelwa. Uma ngempela uyinikela kwabafundi nabo they will support you back. And throughout my journey in presidency, it was not easy, but abafundi were there from day one. And I really appreciate your contributions on my journey. And manje, I'm on another journey. I'm on a debate show, it's on OneDay leader. So some of you might not know it. It's on SABC 1, 9 o'clock every Thursday. So it's a debate show where young leaders across the country, top 6 are debating social issues. Whether it's teenage pregnancy, poverty, tax, whatever the case might be, and yeah, we got the land back. So those are the social issues that we are discussing. And my approach will always be pro-woman and pro-black. So, it's not always just about having people that are leading you, but are you advancing the country? And I'm hoping that throughout my journey from first year, class rep, and I thank every single student for being a part of my journey. Right now, to support me. I'm voting from my students, and I wouldn't be where I am without you, and I still need your support. So we are on my shows, manje, we are recording. And so every single week, Thursday to Monday, I am leader 3. So SMS leader 3 to 3672. Leader 3 to 3267. 32672. And I'd really appreciate that. So every week, so that I stay in the competition. So and next year I want to see 3 people from UKZN in the competition. Because more people must enter. So I'm hoping that young people, not be just one day leader, but namanya opportunities. Young women, let's support each other. Because wherever we go, if we don't give each other support, there's no woman, or I was the only woman who made it. And that's not anything to be proud of. I'm the only female with the first female message. So those are some of the things that we need to confront as young women who are in institutions of higher learning. Akufundweni bakwethu. Ma PhD ayadingeka. Nama DP awahlangani. Party hard. Choose the life you want to live, but remember that the future must be bright. Abaningi bethu sinabantu abasilindele makithi to be something because kube kuyithina bokuqala. We've got to NSFAS manje, but let's use it the right way and advance our futures. Siyadeleka bese sitholile imfundo lesifunayo. Let's not take advantage. Akufundweni kuphaswe, and then we take over this country as young black people. Ngisho nje lokho, please vote leader 3. Ngiyabonga.
Let me forget about the struggle and forget about the pain that I've been through in my dawn. Let me remind you that I'm passing and hoping for the better, so we moving on soon. We've been through pain when my niggas had crossing through these 7 days on the party bed. No need to wait, I got my homies here. I got my crew, we got them moving.
Someone, Nitani. Lishoni yapi? Okay, that's it.
Uma spicy chick versus the science. Siyagoqa si-anticipated
unconditional sound. Spicy chick, voces besanias, voces besanias, voces besanias, voces besanias.